The storm that's coming, snowstorm. How do we prepare?
Get a haircut before it gets the snow too roady. Let's look at the plan board.
We get a haircut.
So
That's how we prepare.
No.
Yeah. Ready?
Okay.
Let's do it.
I'll deal with that.
All right, let's do it.
Just took a picture.
Beep. You hear the honk. Oh, oh,
Beep beep.
keys.
Spin.
Take him for a spin.
Really?
You want to go for a spin?
Yes.
Oh! All right. That's enough spinning. Don't touch. Don't touch. What do you think that stuff is? What do you?
Big one.
Yeah. Do you know what they use it for?
To curl, like, put hair up.
Permanent curl.
Yeah.
It's when you get a permanent.
So, like, it curls up like this and then permanent. Like
Mm-hmm.
my.
So then your hair is curly permanently until it grows out. Getting it all shaved off. Oh. Yeah. No, you may not.
You'll definitely have to wear your hat now.
Yeah. You're gonna feel the wind on your ears. Looking good, buddy. Looking good. How you like it? You got hair on you?
Get all that hair on his face.
What is it? A little hair?
Yeah.
Tiny hair.
This is all your hair now.
Look at that.
You needed that.
Yeah. Looking good, babe. Looking good.
I literally wasn't that hair.
All right, you ready to go?
No. Yes.
No? Yes.
No.
You want to go to archery?
No. No. Yeah. Maybe.
Yeah,
no.
let's go.
Yeah. No. Yeah. No. Yeah. What?
Super Fast Noah making
Black bean brownies.
black bean brownies.
I know you're. I.
Believe it or not, they're really good.
They are. They're healthy for ya. Alright, so what's the first ingredient?
The beans.
I'll go to the next.
Pour in those beautiful beans. Do you need a spoon?
Wait.
Spatula.
Watch. So it's upside down.
Spatula.
Abracadabra.
Here, Reese, can you help
Stop,
with the
stop.
spatula? No, no, no. Dip it inside. Noah, turn that.
It's all gone.
Are they all gone?
Yeah.
Perfect. All right.
That's disgusting.
Next ingredient, 2 tablespoons cocoa powder. And they can be heaping.
Like this.
Careful. Okay.
Smell it. It smells good.
It's totally delicious. It's special dark.
So, but it does not taste good.
Okay, the tablespoon measure's over there by Noah.
Whoa, whoa. Which one?
Tablespoon, the big one.
The big one?
Yep. 2 heaping tablespoons.
How much of the sugar
Go
do we
for
put?
it.
How much of the sugar do we put in?
That's fine. We always like to put a little extra cocoa. Extra cocoa.
many-
One more.
How many things of pushing this down because
We're gonna need a half a cup of oats.
1/4 of a cup. That's a big cup.
Okay. All right, Reese, put the lid back on that.
Cocoa.
Okay.
You can never have too much cocoa.
Well,
Well, not the whole bin, but.
half a cup of oats. Nice. Okay. Reese.
Sugar.
Okay, we need a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. It's like the edge of that spoon.
Is that enough?
1/4 teaspoon salt. Okay. And we need 1/3 of a cup maple syrup. So we don't use pure maple syrup for this.
Third?
We're going to use pancake syrup.
It's more delicious.
Well, it's made of sugar. And if we had maple syrup in the house, we would use that, but we don't. We're out right now. So we're using pancake syrup, which works just fine.
When our cousins come over in the summer?
Hey, why don't you, Reese, why don't you hold the measure and Noah can pour it in. Reese, you hold the measuring cup.
Alright.
Let Reese hold the measuring cup and then Noah, you pour it in.
It's a lot of
All right. And dump. Mhm. Nicely done. Okay, 2 tablespoons. It's like 2 spoons of the sugar, the spoon that's in the sugar bowl. Just 2 spoons like that. Hold your hand under. Thank you. Good job.
Look, it's a waterfall.
1. And do 1 more. And Noah, that other measuring cup can go in the sink.
No, this. I'm doing the oil.
Okay, but the other measuring cup that's in there can go in the sink. The one that's right here.
Oh.
Okay.
Next.
We need
Shrimp is in
a
there.
1/4 cup of oil. Noah's on the, he's jumping up. He wants to do the vanilla so bad he can't let go of it.
Okay.
I must hold on to the vanilla. Okay, be careful, that goes fast. All right, so slowly. Whoa.
How many cups?
Just 1/4 cup.
That's
Okay,
good.
that's great. Okay, put the lid back on. Noah, dump it. Good job. Okay, now Reese, we need the baking powder.
Baking powder, baking
Yes.
powder, baking powder.
It's right there open. 1/4 or half a teaspoon.
Right here?
Half a teaspoon.
This?
Yes. Half a teaspoon
Can this go
baking
away?
powder. Yep, that can go in the sink.
Look at this. It's perfect.
Perfect pour. Good job. Nicely done. And 2 teaspoons vanilla. We love vanilla. And
Teaspoons.
let's just go ahead and use that same measure that Reese was using.
This?
Right. So it's a half a
4.
teaspoon. Correct. Good job.
4.
Hold it over.
Small.
You knew where I was going with that before I even asked you.
Whoa.
Whoa. Okay.
It was going out slowly, so I just wanted to squeeze it.
Okay. Well, if you got some in there, I mean, it's fine to have a little extra vanilla. Okay, that's probably enough. Noah got vanilla extract on his finger and he wants to taste it. Let's watch.
I'm gonna taste some cocoa too.
Does it taste good?
That's how much cocoa I'm gonna taste.
All right, easy enough. Everything goes in the
That cocoa is
processor.
terrible. No, let's blend.
And we turned it
I'm gonna
on.
have some.
This is how you prepare for a storm.
What? It's how you prepare for a storm.
Yes.
What? Yeah.
This is how you prepare for a storm.
Can I turn it on?
A little bit more.
Hi in there! I see it spinning around. Can I ever turn you up there and see it? Please, what'd you do? Go again. Go again. Stop. Wait for it. Don't. And go! No, I just don't. You're so close. It's like it's filling up around the circle, so I like to see it gone. It's not done. No,
Okay, one more.
not yet. I want to twist.
One more.
I want to twist the next one.
All right, last but not least, we're gonna sprinkle in a half a cup of chips.
No, it's not last. We have to cook
we have
it.
to bake them,
We have
yes.
to bake them. No, last is eating them. No, cut.
Last is eating. Yes,
The
eating.
last. Go.
Okay, sprinkle them in. And if you use a little bit more than a half a cup, if it's more than a half a cup, that is
Hey, get over
fine.
here.
Okay, try and spread them around a little bit. Spread 'em
I
around.
want to spread them around.
Spread them around. Oops.
What? Uh-oh.
Spread them around.
Spread
If
them
you need to-
around. Hey,
You're pulling toward yourself. Pull.
Oh.
Push 'em all.
Oatmeal. Oatmeal. I can see the oatmeal in it.
Okay.
Oatmeal.
All right. Don't. You want it spread out even. Okay. All right. And we're gonna bake them
Bake.
for about 15 minutes. All right. Opening the oven.
I want to put it in.
Is it too heavy? If it's too heavy, let me do it, please.
It's
Is it heavy?
I want to help. Oh, no.
Okay.
I'm
Watch your arm. Watch your arm. The oven is hot. The oven is hot. Okay.
Hey.
All right. They're going in
I'm gonna close it.
for 20 minutes.
This is the best way to warm your hands.
Okay. Shut. No, we're not warming the house with the oven. Shut it.
Man, I almost had my finger shut in there twice. Look at comments for the recipe.
Yeah, we're gonna post the recipe down below.
Booyah! See ya.
We'll show you what they
Back
look
hug
like
and
when they
Noah.
come out.
Hug me. No. Piggyback ride. Let's go for the piggyback ride. Ooh, that's a new
All
time.
right. Yeah, we're gonna take showers and then we'll be back when they're out of the oven. We'll be right back.
Bye-bye.
Here we go.
So we're prepared for the snowstorm.
We're ready for the
Got
storm.
marshmallows. If it snows.
If it snows,
That-
apparently now it's gone down. We're not sure it's gonna snow. It has to snow. It needs to.
It should make up for 40 inches of the entire winter. We have no snow.
We've got some milk, making
We're
some
gonna
hot cocoa.
cut some brownies.
We've got our brownies.
We're eating hot cocoa. We're gonna cut some brownies. We got marshmallows to
And marshmallows to put in the hot cocoa.
Milk.
We are ready for the storm.
Yeah, we are. So comment down below if you've ever made black bean brownies.
Yeah,
And we'll put the link below.
we will. And
See ya.
let us know what you're gonna see ya.
See ya. I
Let
got
us-
it for you.
Let us know what you're gonna
So
do.
close. I really wanted to do it next week.
Okay.
So close.
All right. Let us know what you're gonna do during the storm.
If you have a storm.
Yeah.
Dun, dun, dun. Goodbye. See ya. Hey, wait, I'm the Courage Bell guy. I'm the guy in Courage Monkey's belt.
Yeah. Dun dun dun. Okay.
Dun, dun, dun.
See you next time.
This is what you do